All right, what's up, everybody? Another day, another property tour. Happy Sunday to everybody that's out there hustling and grinding. So today we are here in the city of Henderson in the master plan community of Green Valley. Now, this is Green Valley. Green Valley is located north of the 215, and this is a guard-gated community. Now, this home right here is 3,170 square feet. This home has a total of 4 bedrooms and 3 baths and a 3-car garage. So as you can see, we have sidewalks on both sides. The streets are very wide. Homes in this neighborhood were built in the early 90s. Homes that were built in the early 90s, you'll notice that you'll have a bigger lot footprint. Here, this is something that's very unique. You don't see too often. You have mailboxes here on your property. Typically, all the new communities will have one designated area with the mailbox. However, here it's all separate. But now, let me just show you what's going on with this mailbox here. It's kind of unique. You have a total of 4 mailboxes here. One of those mailboxes belongs to the people across the street here. So let's take a look at this rehab property. The exterior looks like it has been fully finished and painted. From the eaves, the stuccos, the trims, and the pop-outs. Very nice curb appeal here. Curb appeal really makes a difference. Now, as you can see, the home really looks really grand, doesn't it? And I believe these homes were built by American West Homes. This home right here is facing south. So your sun exposure is going to be more in front of the home until later on around like 2 o'clock. Then we'll have it in the back. So as you can see, the steps here in the front entryway has been repainted with a cooling deck as well. Now let's take a look at the front here from the porch. Okay, you do have a intercom system. As we come through the French doors, take a look at this. Some beautiful pillars. Got the piano. Nice, right? Take a walk down here real quick. Let's take a look at this. So you got some beautiful columns here. I believe these columns are supporting columns. I mean, they're not solid, but it's what's in the middle. All right, let's dive deep into this property. So it looks like your main living is going to be right over here where this fireplace is. I love how the kitchen is elevated about 3 feet higher, so you can look down here. This is on a golf course community as well. You got some nice stacked stone here. Fireplace, kind of give you a different perspective. We do have some engineered wood floors here. Got that espresso look. Also, I forgot to mention the asking price on this home is $729,999. Let's go straight to the back real quick. So as you can see, it's about, it's actually 1 o'clock right now here in Vegas on this beautiful Sunday. So the sun exposure, you can see it's still on the south side of the house here, but eventually it will be coming over this house. Then you'll get the full sun exposure on this side. As you can see, this is a golf course here. Not too sure what golf course this is. I should know it, but I just don't remember. Oh well. So you got some grass here in the back, which is really nice. With the grass, you can feel how cool the grass is. That's what I like about grass. The only thing with grass is that it does cost some money to water your grass. So it looks like we have some vegetation around the condenser. Okay. And you have a door access to your 3-car garage here. Now, with vegetation, you don't want to have too much vegetation around the condenser because that condenser needs to breathe because of that compressor. You want to prolong the life of that compressor as long as you can. Alright, let's go back into the home here. So we have some can lighting. You get the beautiful bar here. Love this marble here. This is gorgeous. Undermounted sink. Looks like we're missing a refrigerator and the cabinets here. Looks like all the windows are equipped with an alarm system. These are the old school original dual pane windows here with the metal framing, aluminum framing. Not too sure if this piano is included. However, everything is all negotiable. Look at the chandelier. Nice little balcony. You got the primary on this side. Primary wraps around to the office here. I'm going to show you that in just a minute. But let's head up to the kitchen here. Orange peel texture. Looks like the original cabinets have been refurbished. Built-in KitchenAid refrigerator. Looks like they replaced the countertop here. That humming that you see is the condenser from the refrigerator. Brand new sink. Like this. It's kind of cool. It's a little bit different. Let me know in the comments below if you can see yourself living here. You got an intercom system, washer and dryer. Typically, if you see the washer and dryer in the refrigerator, even though it says not included, typically it is included. A lot of agents like to use that as leverage. So if you are asking for it, then they want something in return. Because I do it all the time. It's part of the negotiating strategies, right? I love how this garage has a light here. Here's that door that takes you out to the back. So you have a water softener. Ceilings are about 8 feet high on here. Got the 6-foot doors. Let's make our way back inside. It's kind of crazy how homes back in the early 90s had all these different levels, right? I don't know if I showed you guys the... Gimbal's been acting up on me, I don't know why. What do we have here? Okay, just closet. Let's head back down this way. Got the half bath. Oh, I love this 24 by 24 porcelain tile. It's really nice. Original cabinets. I love how they stone this all the way to the top. Really gives you that spa-like feeling. Love that. Good job on that. Here's your utility closet. You got some more extra storage here. I love how they did the wood all the way up to the top here. Now let's go upstairs. Take a look at that. Gorgeous, right? Love that chandelier right there. Swing this all the way around. So you got the other 2 rooms here, or 3 rooms, I'm sorry. Got 8-foot ceilings. Now this room is facing north, so you're going to get your golf course side here. Get your coax right here so that way you can put your TV, which is really nice. Now these rooms are probably about 13 by 11, so they're pretty large. I've been working out a little bit. Let me know what y'all think. Like my calves? I'm just joking. Golf course right again right here. Look how beautiful that is. Alright. Gonna head into the third bedroom here. Switch this off. You know what? While I am already here, let's just turn this off. Alright, I'm getting you guys dizzy now. Let's come into the bathroom here. These are only 30-inch cabinets here. These are the original cabinets. Then you got the marble. I like how they cladded the whole walls and really give that spa look. Oh, instead of cutting out this nook for soapbox, they just added that. That's really nice for your shampoo. Promise you do a soapbox, and it's going to cost you more money to frame that out. Now let's get into the primary. The primary is very large. Look at this. Also, with the primary, you have the retreat. Would you guys make this into an office the way it is, or would you guys turn it into a retreat? And also, would you wall this up or leave this open? Let me know in the comments below. Another thing is that it looks like this closet opens up on this side, right? Here's the bathroom. Now right above me right here, this is cool. This is old school, a heat lamp, because it does get cold, so you turn that on, nice and cozy. Here's your water closet. Again, you got the cladding all the way to the top. Nice deep tub. Okay. Now you have the closet that goes through this way. Now for the closet, what I probably would do if I own this home is block this off, right? So that way you have an option to put something on this wall. If not, you just lost dead space, right? Now it becomes a dead zone. So I guess you would put your headboard here, TV entertainment center there. I guess it's not that bad because it's pretty large. So let me know in the comments below what you guys will do or would do to this home. Let's take a look at this again. It's gorgeous, right? Look at that. Now let's make our way downstairs. If you guys want more information about this property, all you guys got to do is click on the link in the description below. Matter of fact, let me just give you a little bit more information about this property here. Let me grab my iPad because I can't remember everything about the property, right? So just bear with me. Give me a second. So the HOAs here are $125 a month, which is, I think, is very reasonable. If you guys are interested in this property, the earnest money to lock this thing up into an escrow is a $10,000, which is not bad whatsoever. So guys, let me know in the comments below if you guys can see yourselves living here. And also, if you have not had a chance to subscribe to this channel, go ahead and click that subscribe button. Other than that, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm Krulsawat with Simply Vegas, and have a blessed day.
Did you like that video home tour? Are you a fan of this channel and you want to get plugged into the real estate market? Well, I got something for you. We have a new channel, real estate, vlogs, Las Vegas lifestyle, behind the scenes, financing, flipping, commercial properties, interviews, local businesses, Chakits Krulsawat 2.0. Check it out.